Today we have a pretty clean 2007 Arctic F1000. Snowmobile is in decent shape for the year in miles. It does have 7,547 miles on it. The snowmobile is powered by a 999cc Suzuki liquid-cooled twin-cylinder EFI engine. Even though this snowmobile is not electric start, it still is electronically fuel injected. Some features that are included are a windshield, handlebar wind deflectors, composite skis with orange tow hooks. Suspension wise, in the front we have 9.5 inches of travel. And in the rear we have 13.5 inches of travel. This snowmobile does have a studded track with Woody's backers. In the rear we have a storage compartment. Moving to the driver's area where you actually sit. As I said before, it does not have electric start, so it is pull start only. To start, you simply turn the key and pull the cord. We have our gas fill. On the right side we have our run and kill switch, our push button reverse, and obviously our throttle. On the left we do have our high and low beam headlight controls, our 2-stage heated handlebars, and our 2-stage heated throttle. On the screen we have an analog speedometer along with digital options such as tachometer, trip 1, trip 2, odometer, and other features. We also have indicators such as engine work needed, oil, check oil, headlights, check engine, or overheating. This snowmobile does have a 12.2 gallon fuel capacity, and the track size is a 128 by 15 by 1.0. This snowmobile is not in perfect condition. It does have minor cosmetic issues, but overall it looks pretty dang good for the year. There's one other smaller area. So once again, to summarize, this is a 2007 Arctic F1000. It does have 7,547 miles on it. If you're interested in this snowmobile, please feel free to stop by the store. I'd love to show you around the machine and answer any questions you may have. If you can't make it in the store but want to look a little bit closer, please feel free to visit our website. That is www.leadersrpm.com. We will have multiple pictures as well as a detailed description of the snowmobile. So once again, and as always, thank you so much for watching.